Good day everyone. Let us pause for a moment and reflect. Sabi sa Psalm 19:1, the heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of His hands. When we look around, sa sunrise, sa hangin na humahaplos sa atin, sa mga simpleng bagay na madalas nating hindi napapansin, we are reminded of the beauty of the world. This beauty is a reminder na merong creator who loves, cares, and still at work. Minsan dahil sa problems and pressures of life, nagiging cloudy ang vision natin. Nakakalimutan nating may beauty pa rin kahit sa gitna ng brokenness. But every day, every morning sa buhay natin, God is saying, I am still here. There is still hope. Today, let us choose to see the beauty not only in nature, but also in people, moments, and opportunities God gives us. Because when we learn to appreciate His creation, ang puso natin ay mapupuno ng gratitude and faith. God bless everyone. Kasama natin ang Panginoon.